Hello everyone! In this video, we'll explore how to integrate OpenAI's voice services into Unity using a custom Unity package. To begin, head over to github.com and search for the package Unity OpenAI Wrapper. Copy the link, open Unity, create a new Unity project if you haven't already. Navigate to Window, Package Manager, press on the plus icon on the left, press on Add Package from Get URL, paste the URL and press on Add. Now, to start playing around with the APIs, you have to head down to OpenAI Wrapper folder. Under the packages, head to prefabs and drag and drop this prefab. This prefab, you can see here, it has a bunch of services that are managed by this script. It's called the OpenAI Manager. It also has a key, manages the key for the services. It also has a built-in recorder for the speech-to-text service. Yeah. Let's test the services. To do so, let's create a demo script. I will name it Voice Services Demo. The first thing we should do is importing the namespace using rabbi.openai.the API wrapper. Now we have access to the OpenAI Manager. After we type this OpenAI Manager.instance, we have access to a bunch of OpenAI services such as DALL-E, you can see here, ChatGPT, but our main concern is the voice services. Now, to do so, just type send speech to text request or STT request. This function has a built-in recorder managed by the manager we added earlier. To get the response, we simply type on response. It takes in an arrow function or a promise. Let's type in resp. And here we can print the response. This method by default records for 5 seconds. Now we should add input dot get key down, get key down, key code dot space. So whenever I press space, it records for 5 seconds and it sends the recording to the OpenAI speech-to-text services. So let's test it. We should add the script to an empty gun object. I will name this object demo. I will press run or play, press on the game view and press space. Hello, how are you? My name is Rabia. Oh, I should add the key. Now I'll press play again. I press space. Hello everyone, my name is Rabia. It saved the file and it gave me a response. Hello everyone, my name is Rabia. So it worked. Now to change the 5 seconds default recording type, you can set up the record time to whatever you want in seconds, or you can manually stop the recording by typing in manual true, and now we can say if input dot get key up rather than down, and key code dot space. Okay, now we should call the stop recording method, and by that it will record until we press space up and it will stop recording. So let's test it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, I didn't say 10, but yeah, it worked. Thanks for watching. See you in another video.